Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Telegram video not playing. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Telegram application and tap on your settings. Once you've done that, you want to scroll down to data and storage and tap on the storage usage tab on the top. Simply tap on clear entire cache and click on clear entire cache one more time, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, you might want to turn off stream videos and audio files. So in order to do that, open Telegram again, go down to your settings one more time, and then you want to go down to data and storage again, and then go all the way down. And then simply go to data usage and go down to reset statistics. This should go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, you might just want to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.